1 minute opening range breakout, which is my signature trade. And as you see, from 950 went all the way up to 970. So we got almost 20 bucks out of it. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I had a really good day, really good trade on Tesla. And yeah, that was a really nice trade for me. So Tesla was gapping up 5% because there was a news that they're going to sell like 10,000 car to Hertz, a rental car company. And that's really good news. Tesla was already at all-time high. And then after the huge gap up like 5%. At the open, I was watching it. Obviously, we always look at the pre-market action, if it's above the VWAP or below the VWAP. Yeah, it turned out to be above the VWAP, sold off. But what I noticed was that it really held the VWAP, bounced back from the VWAP. And I mentioned in the chat that I really like it if it holds the VWAP. Popped up 1 minute opening range breakout, which is my signature trade. And as you see, from 950 went all the way up to 970. So we got almost 20 bucks out of it. And after that, suddenly a huge drop came, and this was a really bad sell-off. I still had a little bit of shares in there, huge sell-off, and that sell-off actually was because of the market. It wasn't really, yeah. So as you see, these two drop exactly kind of coincide together. This drop and this drop, the time is exactly. So the market sold off and this was sell off. I kind of knew it was gonna bounce back because a lot of times these stocks at the open come back, test the VWAP and go back up. That's why I added, but it lost the VWAP and I got it stopped out. But because I just didn't know what to do. But you know, if you want to take a look at it and see exactly what happened, you know, Tesla just did a little bit of chop, eventually bounced back, and now it's probably might go even 2,000. So as you see, really big stuff. It could be a really good another entry opportunity in there, but I didn't see it actually. I didn't see it, and I was trading this garbage PKKT, and you know, I missed it. But yeah, no, that one trade was really good. Even though I added and I lost, gave a little bit of profit back here, but because I added a small, still was pretty good. My average was around 952, so I didn't lose much, but that was a really nice trade. So a really good trade to compare is PayPal. PayPal was exactly the same situation, was gapping up for good news, but it really didn't hold the VWAP and it lost it. So not all the time the stock gap up for good news, they're gonna go up. You know, a lot of people are looking, oh, a stock gapped up, go long. It's not always like that. So PayPal was a perfect example that gapped up, it was above the VWAP, but sold off in the 1 minute, never hold the VWAP, and after that, it turned out to be a really good short. It did a quick bounce, but it really didn't have enough power to go over above the VWAP. It means that there's not a lot of interest in that. And as you see, during the day, PayPal actually just going down. So it's still up 6% for the day, but never really had enough momentum for opening range breakup. And I mentioned that in the chat, if PayPal holds the VWAP, potential opening range breakup, but it never really held the VWAP. So that was my trade. Brian, I know you did a really nice trade on BE. You can talk about it.
Yeah, no, I started out trading pins at the open and it just was a dud. So, and then actually it was, you mentioned BE. I had it on my list. I just didn't notice it. So as soon as I looked over, I just took a long right away because I saw it was breaking out on a opening range breakout. So sold a lot of it when it went through 27, and then it did that pullback to pretty close to the 9 and the 20, and I just added back again. And then it popped back up again over 27, sold again, and then it just got kind of toppy after that. But you know, had a couple of really good trades on BE, and then XPEV did a Brahm in the room called out 920 trade on XPEV, got a bit of money out of that trade.
Oh, nice. That's a famous 920 trade of Brian. That's when he touched 20, on a 2-minute chart. So that's the trade. Yeah. All right. So this week we have a bunch of webinars, guys. So a lot of new members. If you don't know what's going on and how you can use the community, go into go into our chat room in the onboarding session that we have on at 8 p.m. Eastern time. After that, Kyle is going to come for the technology. If you have any question about the technology required for trading. I think this week I have a webinar tomorrow about opening range breakups. and breakouts, and yeah, we'll just continue that. So check our website, and also yeah, stock trading simulator is also something that we recently built. There is a lot of issues with that, but you know, when you go in there, enter your this is a free trading tool. Replay, it's not a real time, it's a replay tool. Just enter your email address, and you can just practice on it. And if you enter your email, then Simon and Eamon are sending homeworks for you 3 times a week. Plus, I think they're holding a session every week to just go over it, teach, talk, discuss, and that kind of thing. So that's really I think would be really useful for you at the time. And so we have the time and sales here as well. So you know, when you can just go to any you know, any day, you can also see the time and sales, and then a different time frame and stuff. So you know, buy and sell, you can just do you know, real trades, or not real trades, but you can just essentially do practice. All right, so that's yeah, that's what we had, and yeah, hopefully see you all tomorrow morning in the chat. Again, if you're new, sign up to our newsletter, both in the website of homepage and also a stock market trading simulator, a stock trading simulator, and then we'll send you the homework and stuff. And yeah, this is going to be free, and probably is going to stay for free, because we don't plan to really sell it to anyone, but it's just a really good tool for people to become traders. All right, have a good day, guys, and talk to you soon.